Y'all, I have shared, I feel like, some nice Valentine dishes to share with your loved one, especially the side dishes.
Yeah, some good dinners.
Yes. And of course, protein. Everybody has their favorite protein. And all of the proteins will go with our side dishes that we made. But now I need help when it comes to Valentine cocktails to wash down that wonderful food that you're going to be serving. So, here's Eddie.
Well, this cocktail kind of blends something for you and Michael. So having some bourbon and some champagne and prosecco.
And the peach schnapps. Is that peach schnapps?
Yeah, that's kind of in between.
Yeah. So this recipe, y'all, came from two ladies, Deen and Rebecca, that owns Lulu's Chocolate Bar here in town.
Yes. It's a great, if you're ever visiting Savannah and you want to wind down the night down in City Market, they're located there, and they have wonderful desserts, wonderful dessert drinks, really, really good desserts. Though. Yeah.
And what would you, if you went in there and you would want to have a dessert before bed? What would you choose?
I mean, they have this.
Is everything chocolate?
No. They do key lime pie. They do all kinds of desserts. But I love they have a chocolate tart. That's really good. I like their espresso martinis.
All right, so that tart, is that in a crust?
You just get a wedge. I mean, they cut it there. I mean, you can see, it's like a bakery. You go in and it's all their desserts are lined up.
I'm embarrassed to say I've never been. And Eddie was just telling me that they have opened a second one out here on the island on Highway 80 across from Walmart and Publix. So now that would be much more convenient. So I'm going to make sure that I ask you to take me for a dessert one night when Michael's working and we don't have anything to do. We can go see Lulu. And I'm not talking about that Lulu down there on the floor looking at me. I'm not talking about that Lulu, but Lulu's Chocolate Bar.
So this is Lulu's Savannah Bourbon Bellini. Okay. So
before you start talking, I've just got to show y'all something. I saw these sitting up in the champagne glass, and I said, "Where did you get those? Those are so cute." He said, "I made them." I said, "You made them?" He said, "Yeah, I found a card with some hearts on it, so you can see that they're both a little different." Eddie is so smart. These are adorable. I said, you could sell those, Eddie, if we have enough card scraps. Okay.
All right, so we're going to start with, I know you like, when you like a little bit of champagne every once in a while, so we'll start off with just a little bit of ice to keep it cool.
Yeah.
And then Michael loves his Blantons.
He does.
So we'll do a splash of that. We won't do a full one on.
And a lot of people like it because they like to collect the horses. And yes. Michael does have all, isn't it 12?
Yeah, yes, he's got a couple of sets, and they sell a little display where you can line up, but each horse is at a different position. Completing the race, like in the Derby or something. But they're great little stoppers.
But are they worth anything? Are they collectible?
I'm sure someone would want,
Because it seems like Michael had something like a bar with all the...
Yeah, a little display.
Yeah. What you doing?
All right, we're going to add some peach liqueur.
Do you think that is?
And it says an ounce.
Okay.
So an ounce of bourbon, ounce of peach liqueur, and we'll top it off with some champagne.
I might not give anything else done today. Oh, God. Oh, excuse me. Oh, that scared me out of my britches. Wow.
Uh-oh.
Whoa.
Go ahead.
Whoa, Nellie. Do you have a preference as to which heart you would like?
No. You pick your heart.
Okay, I love this one. Oh, you can there's your heart. You don't have as much champagne as I have, do you? All right, are you gonna make a toast?
Let's see. Maybe you find all your heart's desire this Valentine's Day.
Oh, I love it. Cheers.
Cheers to you.
Cheers to you. I might have to get rid of my heart.
The peach is good.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, if you Bellinis are good.
Yes.
But you don't really to be ruined so much either.
No, I don't. I'm going to take my peach off and let it float around in there. It's delicious, Eddie.
Yes.
And you're right when you say it's something Michael would enjoy and a lady friend, your partner, you know, both sexes could appreciate this.
Michael might want a little more bourbon and those.
He might. I'd give him my share. Happy Valentine's Day, y'all. And you know, we're always working on sending y'all love and best dishes, always. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.